DSers or AutoDS, which one's better for product imported in 2025? Let's break it down. DSers is built specifically for AliExpress. It offers quick one-click imports, bulk product editing, and smart variant mapping. It's fast, it's clean, and lets you connect directly with top AliExpress suppliers. Perfect if you're focused on low-cost, high-volume products. AutoDS, on the other hand, supports more platforms including Amazon, Walmart, and Etsy. It also has a built-in product research tool, which helps you find trending items before you import. But the import speed slightly lower than DSers, and it limits how many products you can import on the free plan. In 2025, DSers improved its import process with auto clean titles, image filtering, and a smoother supplier optimizer, making it the go-to if you rely on heavily on AliExpress. So if you're focused on AliExpress and Shopify, go with DSers. If you want to test products from multiple sources, AutoDS is more flexible. Just expect to pay a bit more for premium features. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more tool breakdowns and check out my next video when I compare product delivery times between DSers and AutoDS.